Good morning, it's Friday, April 18th, about 6 a.m. Central Time. Overnight, the precious metals saw wild swings here after another incident between Israel and Iran occurred. At one point, we saw gold up $35, silver up 60 cents, crude oil was up $3.50, the Dow Jones was falling over 500 points. Now, shortly after, Iranian state media really downplayed the incident, said that their missile defense system had activated and that there was no damage done to their nuclear facilities, nor did they have any indications that they would retaliate back against Israel. And what we saw was this big flight to safety trade come on, and then the flight to safety trade come off. So you've got U.S. equities clawing their way back. You've got crude oil futures making new lows on the session, with the front month crude oil, June crude, down 79 cents here at 81.31, and also gold futures down $5, silver futures down 10 cents, and the risk on trade with Bitcoin coming back up over 2% here this morning. So if you do have any kind of overweighting on some of these risk assets, or you do want to get more defensive, I believe that these provide some good opportunities here. You could simply take positions on, but put calculated risk stop positions behind it, or you can buy put options here for put protection. So looking at crude oil futures, kind of interesting if we do see the front month break below $80 here today. There was a news report that Saudi Arabia would need something closer to $95 to balance their budget, given that they have cut off some of their supplies here and really pared back some of their production levels. Now, looking at the gold market, people could look at different trade ideas, like things like buying a gold futures, putting a stop loss in, say, $25 or $30 lower, calculated risk here on the trade with a 10 cent or the $10 per dollar move point contract. So if you looked at something like risking $25, you'd be risking $250. On the silver market, you can go well below the support level, which is $28 recently, and you could put in a 50-cent stop, which would be $500 on the 1,000-ounce contract. So just a couple ideas to throw at here today. So it's going to be a lighter economic calendar day. We only have the Federal Reserve. They're going to release their financial stability report, and then we'll also have just a handful of Fed speakers, but nothing really too big out there. So I'll be on the Schwab network here later in the afternoon. So if you got TD Trade, you can cue me on there. And then if you got any questions, reach out to me, 312-858-7303. Remember, futures option trading does involve risk loss. May not be suitable to all investors. Good luck, good trading.